Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm LuvMyiaBee and today is Tip Tuesday. So today what I'm going to be doing is wing liner because I'm tired of seeing all the crappy wing liners, all the attempts, and I literally know that it will take practice, but let me show you the right way to do it. Let's get into it. All you need is a great eyeliner that you have full control over. Today I'm going to be using the Clinique Pretty Easy Liner. It is more of a marker tip, so it's very easy to navigate. And on the bottom I'm going to be using the Clinique Intense Ebony because that's one of the blackest eyeliners, and I love to have a deep black eyeliner with my top wing liner. It's easy if you have a hand mirror because the mirror closer is going to give you the best control over what you're doing. So I'm going to hold my mirror up at an angle just as when I put on my lashes. And then I'm going to start in the middle. Looking up is the easiest thing. See that? Here. If you want, you can go towards the front now a little bit more. And as you can see, I'm not doing it in one motion, although I could, but it's easier to just do it in small strokes. Filling in the empty gaps. You kind of have pretty much your basic line right now. Now, for the wing, dun dun dun, which is the main part of our wing liner, you're going to kind of start at the crease of your eye where the top and the bottom of the lines meet. So you're going to draw a line in a diagonal motion going up, and just like that. No, that's not your wing liner, but that's how you start it. So you have your line going up. Then I'm going to kind of just draw it back. So now you kind of have a triangle with like an empty space. Then all you're going to do there is fill that space in. And now as you can see, I have a little gap. This could be a trend. And then we're just going to connect that. And keep connecting it to it solid, blend solidly. And there you go. Me, I like to do a little bit more of a cat eye, so a little bit more fierce. So this part is a little harder because it takes a little bit more of a sturdy hand, more concentration. Go from the inside. Still small strokes. And then I'm going to bring it down. I kind of rest my pinky finger on my nose a little bit, but not enough to mess up my makeup. And there you get your little feline look. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my roller eyeliner because I hate putting liquid on the bottom. I think that's like the worst idea ever. And then I'm going to look down, mirror up, and I like a heavy line. And if you want, you can take your liquid liner and kind of complete that connection right there. Guys, got it? Let's do it again. So, holding your mirror up, eyes up, If you have to blink, move away. And you always want to make sure it goes from thin to thicker. You don't want it like a thick here, thin here, big here. Like, you just kind of want it to gradually increase. Once again, onto the big part. Line drawn up. If you like to keep the tail a little thinner, start your going back at like the middle part. See that triangle? Then I'm gonna go back on that line, make it a little darker. Fill it in. Go back, connect it. I goofed up a little right there, so I just have to smooth it out so it doesn't look bad. Going back in the front to match the other side for a more feline look. You don't have to do this, like literally. And some people's eyes, everybody's eyes are shaped differently. So sometimes for some people it's harder to do the kind of cat eye in the front. Looking up. I mean, chin down, eyes up. I kind of close my eyes and just go for it. And literally a cat eye can change your look so quickly. Normally I will put on lashes after this to complete the look, but this is what we're learning today. Quick wing liner. Tip Tuesday. Here for it. Have a good one, you guys, and thanks for watching Tip Tuesday. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, LuvMyiaBee. Have a great one.